Hey guys, today we are next to Volkswagen Sharan and I'm going to show you how to set the electric trunk door to stop at custom height. So right now it's going, I believe, all the way up, and if for some reason you need this trunk door to stop a little bit sooner, maybe you are parking in a limited height parking place, or maybe you are not tall enough to reach the button all the time, and there's a way to program this tailgate to stop a little bit closer. So what I'm going to do is press the button and the door will start to close. I'm going to press it again to stop it at a point that I'm satisfied with, and then we are going to program this height as the new end position for the trunk. So let's press it. Let's press it again to stop it. I believe this will be good height. And right now I'm going to press and hold it. There was a confirmation sound and the indicators blinked, and I believe right now if I close the trunk and open it back again, let's open it back again, the trunk door will stop over here at this point. And if you want to program a higher position, you need to press up the tailgate and once again press and hold the button. Wait for the confirmation sound, and the new end position was successfully stored. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up if you like this simple tutorial and subscribe for future ones. See you soon.